a little dorky table here. So it's rate times time equals distance. Distance velocity times time. That rate's a velocity. Okay. So the first time you're going to do it is you're going with the wind. So with the wind. And the time here was 3 hours. And the rate. Okay, so with the wind, well, what's happening is that you're wanting to know the velocity of the plane and the velocity of the wind. What would the velocity of the plane be? What can we call it if we don't know it? X, right? What would be the velocity of the wind? What can we call it? We don't know it. Y. And if I've got the wind with me, what do I do with those two? Add them. So with the wind, you're going the rate that you're going plus the velocity of the wind. So the wind's helping you, so you add that. Equals the distance, which is 450. Okay. Against the wind. So you're going a certain rate. Now, if you're going against the wind, what's happening with this Y here? What's it doing this time? If you're going into the wind. Huh? Is that Giovanni? Good job, Giovanni. So you're subtracting that because you're going against the wind, so it's bringing down your velocity. So the wind, here the wind's helping your velocity, overall velocity. Here it's taken away. And it's 5 hours, and it's the same distance. So rate times time, so 3x. They did something I never thought to do here. You can do that times that. So 3x plus y equals 450. 5x plus y equals 450. I don't know if I'm going to confuse you here.
Is it 5x?
Oh, minus. Yeah, good catch. My bad. I'm sorry. I was going too fast. I don't want to confuse you here. This is what they did. They divided this top one by 5, and they divided the bottom one by 3 to make a match up. It's like if you multiply one by one and multiply the other to make a match up. So if I divide this one by 5 and this one by 3, you're just dividing it by whatever the number of the other one is. Does that make sense? So if you divide by 5. I don't know if this might be more confusing. Divide this and then divide this by 3. Whoops. I'd never seen this taught like this before, but I don't know if you'll like this or not. Wait, no, you divide. No, I did this wrong. Divide by 3. You want to divide this by 3. I'm sorry. Divide this by 3 by this number. By this number. That wouldn't work. So divide it all by 3 here and divide all that by 5. Just divide by the number that's in front. Divide by the number that's in front. Jeez, that's embarrassing. Do this. So, and you're allowed to do it. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. So if you divide this side by 3, it's just x plus y, and then 450 divided by 3, you're allowed to do whatever you do to one side, you just got to do to the other side. So I could multiply both sides by 1,000,000 if I wanted to. And I'm going to divide this side by 5. That cancels. Divide this by 5. 90. Sorry for the confusion. Then you could just add. So it'd be 2x equals 240. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So it's 120 miles per hour is the average velocity of the plane. That's the velocity of the plane. And then to find the velocity of the wind, it'd be x, or 120 plus y equals 150. Subtract 120, subtract 120, y equals 30. So this is the velocity of the plane, and this is the velocity of the wind. Velocity.